Carson County Irrigated Farm is strategically positioned just 11 miles north of Bethune, Colorado, and 1 mile west on County Road HH, providing convenient access only 11 miles north of I-70. This irrigated farm ground produces excellent crops, good grazing, and has recreational benefits. The current tenant is growing corn, wheat, and running cattle on the pivots. Encompassing a total of 1,481 acres, the farm comprises 1,033 irrigated acres, approximately 300 acres of dry land, and the remainder in grass and improvements. The land lays nicely with good drainage and average soils. It is easily accessed by well-maintained county roads. The property boasts functional improvements, including 14 grain bins, nearly 2,500 linear feet of concrete bunks, and 18 pens in excellent condition, each equipped with water drinkers. The well-organized feed yard features a loading chute, scales, and working pens. Additional structures include a 170-foot by 50-foot shop building for equipment storage, a scale house with scale, covered loading chute, and 2 silage pits. The property offers outstanding habitat for pheasants and mule deer, presenting opportunities for recreational activities amidst the agricultural activities. There are good numbers of pheasants and plenty of opportunity to add additional habitat on the corners and expired CRP. Corn and wheat stand as the primary crops cultivated on the farm. The tenant efficiently manages agricultural operations, employing rotational grazing on pivots and pasture, and making efficient use of excess forage from crops and grass. With a reliable water supply, the farm relies on 5 irrigation wells, 2 domestic wells, and 2 commercial wells. Pivots installed between 1978 and 1982 have undergone 2 upgrades, including the installation of somatic control panels 7 years ago. The farm is in good condition, and the current tenant is doing a good job with the operation. This very well-rounded agricultural unit offers a lot of flexibility for the farmer and rancher. Bethune, Colorado averages 18 inches of rain annually and is a town of 183 residents, just 150 miles east of Denver, Colorado, while Burlington, Colorado is just 10 miles to the east. Interstate 70 runs east and west and is the main artery from Denver to Kansas City, offering excellent access to all grain markets and commerce. For your own private showing, please contact Dax Hayden or Bran Hayden.